When it comes to protecting your place of worship or church security, basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to build like a social net of communication around the facility. A big piece of that is presentation, is posture, is the way you sell security, and your behavior, and the way that you interact with people. The second they hit the campus, they realize that this campus is secured. There are individuals on the campus that are here to bring accountability and to set up a standard against anyone who would try to do harm to the people that are trying to attend that church at that facility. They see an armed guard out front as they make entrance. That imprints on their brain. One of the reasons we do that is because now we've had enough active shooters, active human threats, to the point where we've been able to do research. We've been able to get their cell phones. We've been able to get their diaries. We've been able to see their mission plans. And what we find consistently is that many of them choose the facilities they choose because they know that they did not have armed security. To identify people of interest, to identify people that may need help, to identify people that may need prayer. But hello, how you doing? Jesus loves you, things like this. We're trying to interact with those people so we can understand what condition they're in as they enter the campus. You know, is that person dealing with a hangover from last night? Are they still high on some drugs that they've been taking over the week? It's really about the quality of the information you can get about your people of interest as they enter your properties. They come in, they see security, they are being interacted with by the parking lot attendees, they park their vehicle, now they're making their way into the actual facility. As they make their way into the facility, once again, this is the kind of interdependent nature of a good security posture at a facility. We have greeters at the door. Those greeters are now looking everyone in the eyes, giving them love, seeing how they react to it, right? This kind of shows you how we want to work with everyone who's there to help and serve on a Sunday. Obviously, they make contact with security at the door. Some facilities, they're doing bag checks and different things of that nature. A lot of that offers you a lot of deterrence, right?